Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. We're cleaning this fountain right here. It had a lot of algae buildup in it, and one thing that you need to know about fountains is that so first off, most all fountains are going to get algae, and it usually comes from the breakdown of matter, be it plant matter or if you've got fish, just them and their byproducts. That's just gonna create an algae issue. So probably are going to have to clean these out anywhere from 1 to maybe 3 months. You can stretch it out a little bit. There's a couple of things you can do. If you have fish in a pond of any sort, or a fountain or whatever it is, there's some algicides that you can use. You got to be very careful to make sure that they don't harm fish or anything like that. Another more popular one is going to be using bleach. So if you don't have fish, you can use a couple capfuls of bleach. Put it in there. A very easy one for any size is to make sure that the pump that you have in your fountain, make sure it's sized properly, because the pump, as it turns over the water, that creates oxygen, which will help reduce the amount of algae that you get built up. So make sure you have the proper size pump and that it's moving and turning over that water enough. But in this heat, now that it's getting hot out here, there's not really a lot you can do about it. As that material breaks down and it comes into contact with the sun, it's going to create algae, and that algae is going to grow. So if you got any questions or need any help, just let us know. Look forward to hearing from you.